What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. And this time I want to show you guys how I use the trend beats during the live markets. Alright guys, so it's about 12:42 a.m. right now, Eastern time, and I'm tired as hell, but I'm still gonna give you guys this content because I love y'all to death. So subscribe. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm just gonna go straight into the sauce so that you guys can see exactly how I use this bot. Let's get it. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it using that trend beats bot. First, what I wanna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and assess the situation that we have here, just how we would on TradingView or whatever we use to mark up our charts. I can go ahead, put it on my Skittles template as well. Sometimes I like to use my Skittles template just to see what is really going on. Seems like we had a big cross right here. Alright, so I just went ahead and changed the color a little bit just so you guys can see better. I'm actually gonna change the candlesticks just so you guys can get, you know, the whole gist of everything. Alright guys, so as you guys can see on a 4-hour time frame, we had a big fall over here. Price dropped all the way down after hitting this resistance. Right, came back to rally up a bit, drop down. So now we're on our way up. But right now, we go to the 1-hour time frame. Price is falling. Okay, price is falling again. We'll go ahead and put a quick trend line on here. Just to get an idea of where price could possibly, you know, keep falling to. Right, so this is a trend, you know, on the 15-minute time frame where price is going down right now. Okay, so I can go ahead and put on my trend bot. Very easy, just put on my trend bot. All right, sounds easy enough, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my trend elite settings. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a dollar lot size. My stop loss is 50 pips. Money trail 1, step 5. Okay, secure profits is 1,000. I'm gonna change this actually. I'm gonna secure it to, I'm gonna put it to about $500. I'm gonna change the each profit amount of pips to, I think, about 8. And that's it. Okay, so now it says that my bot is working. My smiley face is on. Allow trading is also on. Everything seems to be good. Look at my options. I'm getting the notifications. Everything looks good. And now we're just gonna wait for our trend beast to take its perfect setup. Okay, so while the trend beast does its thing on GBP USD, we're gonna go ahead and use the trend beast on GBP USD as well. Go ahead and pull out my template real quick for you guys. I can see off rip that it's looking like it's about to fall on a 4-hour time frame. You know, that's a big candlestick to the downside. So honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the trend beast in case this thing wants to decide to start really falling down to the downside, right? It does seem like we got some resistance here as well. Okay, so we got a resistance zone right here, is what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put on a trend beast. I could use the one-click trading and just place my sell and then turn on the bot and it'll manage it for me as well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the trend beast. Okay, so this one I'm also gonna put secure profits $500. Okay, everything else pretty much seems good to me. Close profits, I'm gonna close 25-cent lots. The first TP should be 10 pips. And then we'll take 25 cents every 7 pips. So let's go ahead and do that. And boom, it takes a sell right away on GBJPY. So boom, this is what I'm talking about. We're already in profits. $18, I can go ahead and close that out. Or I could just, you know, follow the plan of just holding on to this trade on the higher time frame, the 15-minute. It looks like it could be promising. So, you know, I'm gonna just let it do what it do, you know. So I'm gonna just let this rock. You guys can see I'm already up, you know, $45, right, with the spread. So, you know, if it keeps going down, it's gonna take profits for me. It's gonna start taking out lot sizes for me. So I'm gonna just let it do its thing. And hopefully, you know, we come back to some profits. I could always drag down my stop loss here if I wanted. You know, I could do a whole lot. But I'm just gonna let it do what it does, and I'm gonna keep you guys up to date. And that thing is dropping. I'm already up 160, 180. See, this is what I'm talking about. So like when you see this, you know, so obviously we didn't reach our first goal yet of 10 pips. So it didn't take out a lot yet, but we could take this whenever we want. We could just exit this out and take this money. Why not? You know what I'm saying? You don't always gotta wait for the bot to execute the whole thing for us as this thing starts to, you know, basically pull back. But I'm just saying, guys, you guys can take out your profits whenever, you know, like a good $100 to $200 is still a good W. But you know, I'll still let it rock just to see what happens. But like I said, guys, I could close out right now. So if this ends up reversing and, you know, I lose money, that's on me. But also I could always just move my stop loss. Also right here, guys, this is a virtual stop loss. So this stop loss, it's here, but the brokers can't see your stop loss. See, it says virtual. All of my bots, it has a hidden stop loss and brokers can't see it. So you guys can see on my phone that I got the notification straight to my phone. MetaTrader has opened a sell for $1 lot, basically the sell that I just showed you. You guys can see it. We're in profits right now. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but either way, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the video. But we're up $177 right now, $180 right now. And guys, this is how I use the trend piece. And literally, I could just close out right now. I could close out a good 200 right now. But I'm just gonna let this rock a bit and see if we can catch a big W here. All right, guys. So I'm pretty much gonna go to bed now. I ain't gonna lie, so it's getting late, but I am going to manage everything from my phone. So I will be back and I will give you guys an update on what ended up happening, guys. See you in the morning. Okay, so you guys can see the notifications from the MetaTrader 4 basically telling me that trades have been closed. Profit of $55 was closed, and now I have 75 cents left in the trade. And you guys can see, since I was patient enough, I was able to secure the $55 and stay in this trade. I can go ahead and close this out right now, or I can see if this thing keeps dropping, so it secures more profits for me. This does look like a great entry on the MT4, so I'm probably just gonna let it rock. I'm shirtless right now, like I told you guys. Like, I'm tired. I'm really, you know, in bed. I'm just jumping on and off the computer just to show you guys what's going on right now. But I'm up $150 right now off this sell, and I just want to basically show you guys that the trend piece definitely works. It works like a freaking god. It trades the trend. Like, literally, you just turn it on when you think a big move is gonna happen, and right here, the big move happened, and now it's just, you know, trailing profits for us. Okay, so basically it entered the trade right here, and you guys can see this big line right here. It took profits right here, 10 pips. You know what I'm saying? It took profits, and you know, I can go ahead and take these profits right now because it's probably gonna go start, you know, rallying up soon, or you know, I could just hold it, you know what I'm saying, and hopefully wake up to a big bag. But the trend piece, like, you can't leave it on overnight. I just want to leave it on for a whole day without you watching the charts and knowing what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So overnight, you know, you may wake up to a big bag if this drops. But if it doesn't and you wake up and, you know, you're negative, then, you know, it is what it is. So I could go ahead and just, you know, place a break even or something like that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to place a break even. Okay, so, you know, I got my little stop loss right there. So if it goes reverse on me all the way, then it'll take me out the trade. I'm not really trying to see too much drawdown while I'm sleeping. So, you know, I'm just gonna put my stop loss right here. You guys can see, put my stop loss right there. And if it continues to go down and it wants to make me more profits, then just amazing. You know what I'm saying? We get that back. But honestly, I'm thinking I might just close out these profits right here. I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this thing keeps going down and we just make profits. But I'm gonna see you guys in the morning and we're gonna see what ends up happening. Update. It did not take profit yet, but I am up $200 already. So guys, I'm thinking I might just take this I'd be so eager to take the trades, but I know for a fact if this thing keeps dropping, oh man, it's gonna be a good payday. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some partial profits. I'll go ahead and just take like 15 cents. Oops, I went ahead and took 60 by accident. So yeah, I guess I only got 15 cents left in the market, but that is still okay, guys. That was an accident, but you know, I'm pretty sure this bot is still gonna close out some good profits for me. Okay guys, so yesterday I ended up closing out some trades, but I am in a trade right now using the trend B. So basically the trend B's took a buy after, you know, coming back to this resistance area right here that I'm gonna put here. So price came back to this resistance area right here, and then it came up here, right? Price crossed over that resistance area, so it took a buy, okay, for the new trend. Okay guys, so also it's been trending up. If you guys look at it, it's been trending up. If we just get our quick trend line, it is trending up right now. So, you know, it's a good possibility that this can keep going up and we can make some money. Now, if I right click on my settings, according to my settings, it's going to take out 25 cents as soon as it hits 8 pips in profit. Now it's looking like it's shooting up now. Now I'm up $29 right now. So, you know, I could go ahead and close this out. I can do whatever I want, right? You know what I'm saying? I could put a stop loss here, right? I could put a stop loss right there. You know, 13 pips. If I lose, I'll lose $16. You know, if I put the stop loss right there. You know what I'm saying? No biggie. And I can go ahead and just relax, you know what I'm saying? Basically just relax. Okay guys, so I'm using this trend beast to just, you know, catch moves, catch, you know, breakouts, just how we have one right here, breakout. So hopefully, you know, this closes on the 5 minute with a good strong green candlestick, how it's been moving, right? And then we could be on the up and up. Okay, but basically this is how you use the trend beast. All right, and it's going up, shooting up to the sky, how I thought it would. So, you know, just trend beast stuff, man. Trend beast, regular trend beast shit, man. So I could go ahead and close this out. And honestly, man, just have a trading plan. You know what I'm saying? Like, have a trading plan. If you're going into, you know, the trading day thinking, okay, I need to make, you know, $50, $100 a day, or whatever the heck your goal is, don't be afraid to take profits, or just set up your bot to take profits as soon as it hits, you know, a certain amount of money. So I could go ahead and edit my properties, and I could put secure profits from 500 to, like, I don't know, 50, and it'll close $50. Boom, it just closed and took another buy just like that, guys. So this is what I'm talking about. You know, and they'll keep taking buys, you know, as long as the trend keeps going up, and it will keep closing out $50 until it can't close out $50 anymore because the trend has reversed. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and change my settings back because that's not how I want it, but I just wanted to show you guys just for, you know, learning purposes. What's good, YouTube? So that's gonna be it for this video. Guys, make sure that you leave a like and you subscribe, guys, because I'm going crazy all year and I've been giving you guys the best bots on the internet. If you guys are interested in any one of my bots, click the link in the description and go to my website, richardpips.net, so that you guys can get started using my bots. I suggest that everybody get the bundle because you guys can take advantage of all the bots that I have on my website. But guys, go ahead and check it out for yourselves. We have plenty of people in the Discord already making tons of money. So, you know, this is a serious thing, guys. So tap in, guys. Also, I have a free Telegram in the description that you guys can join as well. I post my results from the Discord in there as well. So guys, tap in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.